From this video, you will learn how to make $8.5 million from 1.74 million excited customers who always spend money online. And they are ready to spend money on you. Even if you are a complete beginner, you don't have experience, you don't have technical knowledge, you don't have website, you don't have hosting server, no mailing list, and no social following. Sounds awesome? It gets better when I say you can make money from anywhere in the world and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and digital currency if you want. And the best of the best part, the 99% of the workload will be taken care of my artificial intelligence software Epic. Link in the description will give you free access to Epic. Go ahead, grab Epic right now. Now, let me show you the money first. You see on the screenshot, $64,000 were generated from 2 of our campaigns. Well, what we basically did, we made videos. But unlike these videos with cameras, microphone, and recordings, we used our software Epic. Epic allows us to write scripts for our videos using artificial intelligence. Then Epic turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover. And Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos using images, links, and texts. And then Epic combines all those bite-sized videos into one long video. And we publish those videos on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. 1 minute long YouTube Shorts. Now, why YouTube Shorts? Let me show you from my phone. I just searched with a keyword, a hot keyword called iPhone wireless charger. I will come back more about iPhone charger, but if you look down and go to the Shorts feed, you'll see Shorts and look at the number of views. If you can't see, I will help you. The first video got 57,000 views. The second video got 2.3 million views. Next one, 639,000 views. The next one, 10,000 views. These are lots of views. And all these views equals $5 for us. I mean, each view equals $5 for us. Now, why Shorts? Why 1 minute videos? Because YouTube Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is doing their best to promote Shorts creators and the short videos in order to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So we are getting thousands, if not millions of views completely free from YouTube. So YouTube is sending us customers. Before we move forward, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can only achieve that if you help us. Only thing we want from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, your WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, SMS contacts, email contacts, everyone you know. This way, you help us reach 100 million people in the next 10 years, and you help others, your friends and family, learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. So, let's go ahead. What we do is simply answer one simple question that people are looking for on the internet. And I will share everything in this video step by step so you can start making money using Epic, link in the description, from today. So first, let me show you customers. You see this screenshot here. iPhone wireless charger has 1.74 million searches on YouTube. Wow, that's a lot of searches. We can say 1.7 million people look for this keyword on YouTube. Now, who are they? These are passionate iPhone users who already spend their money on iPhone, and they're so passionate they continuously buy applications and accessories. Just like me, I have 2 other covers, but I bought another cover because it has a built-in stand. It has some other interesting features, but to be honest, I keep buying and buying. Yesterday, I wanted to buy wireless charger, but so far I didn't because I'm thinking, why should I buy it? And then I noticed all these numbers. Look at this, 1,866 ratings. So minimum 5 times more people already purchased this item. Another magnetic battery charger, 2,815 ratings. And the price of this is 3 times more than this. So iPhone buyers iPhone customers are crazy and passionate buyers. They keep buying. So how can you make money from this? This is what I thought. The answer is pretty simple. First, do your research and find out what people are looking for. So I did keyword research and I found 1,566 keywords people are using to search about magnetic charger alone. So you understand there are so many other topics. Like look for iPhone problems. There are so many problems iPhone has. All these problems need solutions and people look for solution to these problems on the internet. All you need to do is to make 1-minute short videos using my software Epic and publish them on YouTube. YouTube will send you viewers, and when they find your videos informative, they will love you and follow you, and then you ask your viewers to click your link. What link? It can be any link, can be affiliate link, can be an application link. But here is a smart way to make money from iPhone, Udemy and iPhone camera. iPhone camera is super good. Everybody knows that, and everybody wants to learn how to use better iPhone cameras. So there are courses on Udemy. Particularly, this course was sold to 59,778 students at the price point of $49.98 and generated approximately $2.9 million. Now you have got 1.74 million customers looking only for iPhone charger alone. If you sell to them, according to our stats, you will make $5 from every visitor approximately on the average. Then you should make $8.5 million and $2.9 more million from iPhone photography course. It's not additional work. Basically, when you make your videos using Epic, make videos that people are looking for on the Udemy. Bundle them up, upload them on Udemy. Udemy will send you traffic and customers. Udemy has 100 million customers. They come from Udemy and from Google. All free money. But that's not all. I'm showing you another bonus way to make money online. Look at this screenshot. Somebody is offering transcription service, which is speech to text service on Fiverr, and charges $10 on average for 10 minutes of transcription. And they made $365,050 from Fiverr alone. How can you do it without experience? Do you see a text box at the bottom of the video? This is an artificial intelligence software transcribing my voice automatically. You can get this software from the link in the description. Use this software, offer your service on Fiverr, and start making money. Super simple. As you start making money, record your progress using my software Epic and make your course on how to make money on Fiverr. And this person made $371,182 on selling this Fiverr freelancing course to 26,000 people, free students from Udemy. You can do it too. All you need is my softwares. Links are in the description. Go grab them. Start offering your services online. That's the simplest and easiest ways to make money. By the way, you can make more money by selling your course or your Fiverr service by putting these links in the description and in the first comments of your videos that you make using my software Epic. So all this starts from this software Epic. Go grab Epic and start making 1-minute short videos and start publishing on YouTube from today. This is what we do to make $5 from every visitor, every viewer we get from our videos, and you can do it too. Super simple. Start doing today and start making money from today. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here is a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan, play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section, and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend, and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. But we want one favor from you. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, SMS contacts, Telegram, WhatsApp contacts, and your email contacts. This way you help others learn how to make money online, and you help us reach 100 million people in the next 10 years and teach them how to make money online. We will be grateful to you, and your friends and family will be grateful to you. They will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, and thousands of other people make money online. You can do it too. Super simple. Go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.